Welcome back, everybody. This is Charles the intern again with therocketnerd.com. Again, please watch this video in full screen at 1080p if you can. That way you'll be able to see everything. So in this video, we're going to go over how to create a page using your WordPress site. So again, the first step is going to be to navigate to your website. So you just want to navigate to the URL. Perfect. Bring up the page, and then you're going to want to go into the login page. So that's /wp-admin. Of course, you can do that in one step. I just like to go step by step, break it down for everyone. So type in your username and password, just as we did in the last one. Hit enter there. And again, it'll bring you to your dashboard. So one of the first things you're probably going to want to do is add pages. You can have as many pages as you want on your WordPress site. We do not mind at all. You can have 1 million, you can have 100 million, a billion, a Google. Turns out that's a number, so anything like that. So what you're going to want to do to create a page is on the left sidebar here, you'll see a thing called Pages. When you hover over that, it'll say All Pages or Add New. So we're going to go down to Add New and give it a click. So this brings up the page creation tool. Now, you haven't seen this before. It might look very new and there seems like there's a lot of stuff, but there's not too much to learn here. So your cursor starts in the page title section. So here is where we enter a page title. For this, I'm going to put our team. Now, I can click down into the box here and it'll bring up a, well, it won't bring up, it'll just go into the text editor. From here, this is where you can type the content. So you can type anything you'd like. There's a wealth of stuff. You know what? I'm just going to type the content. In the next video, I will actually go over all the different options here in the text editor, so worry about that after. If you scroll down a little more, you can see Theme SEO Settings. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So this is going to be the things that help you get into Google. Higher up, I guess, in the searches for Google. So for Custom Document Title, if you mouse over here, it'll say it's the title tag. That's HTML. But pretty much what you want to write here is what you put up here. So, our team. Now for the custom post page meta description, again, you can put over, it's meta name equals description. You want to describe basically what your page does here. That's pretty much all it is. This is our team. They are great. Perfect. For the custom page meta keywords, comma separated, this is going to be one of your biggest things for getting into Google. So on here, what you're going to want to do, and as you can see, it's meta keywords, is type in all the different keywords. So you want team, rocket, nerd, rocket nerd. And this is just for me. So when people Google search this, I want my site to come up. So you can just put a big list, comma separate them, and you're good to go. The custom canonical URL and the custom redirect URL, I wouldn't worry about. And the robot stuff, don't mess with that. Down here, you can see that there's default layouts. So you can change where you want the sidebar to be on the page. I'd recommend sticking to these two, but again, you can do whatever you'd like. Custom body class and custom post class I won't go over, and scripts, same thing. That's quite an advanced thing. If you want to do anything like that, I'd highly recommend going to the WordPress Codex as described in the last video. So once all that's done, you can go over here. Now, I could publish this page right now, but there is a few other things I want to show you. I can change the visibility right here to public, private, or password protected. Now these mean pretty much what they sound like. Password protected, you have to have a password to see the page. Private will be private. The only way to see it is if you log in with your WordPress ID, so in my case RN user, to see it. And this just lets you edit pages as you go. Same thing for the status with the draft. You can set it to draft or pending review. So that's if you have more than one person, you can do that. I'm just going to hit cancel to both of these. The only other thing I want to show you is the page attributes. So right here is the parent. So say I want to put under our team under the welcome for some reason. I can do that, and then as you can, pretty much what will happen is it'll be youtube.therocketnerd.com. Welcome is actually my home page, so then it'll be /our team, which is what it is now. But you can hierarchy kind of organize your pages so that they're very easy to understand, and it just kind of will keep it in your own mind. For this one, I'm not going to do a parent though. So I am going to hit publish. And as you can see, page published. I can hit view page right here. And there's our page. So as I said, our team and the content. That's pretty much all there is to creating a page. In the next video, I will go over editing your pages, which is pretty much going over the text editor there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.